Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding where the noise originates. List the top 10 metrics and alerts that demand attention. Collect a 24 to 72-hour baseline so you understand normal variance, measure medians, 95th percentile spikes, and 5-second sampling blips. Once done, prioritize metrics by customer impact and assign owners for each signal so decisions aren't stalled. Make sure to label dashboards and add a short purpose line. It saves time when you begin filtering and reducing noise. You now tighten the signal. Aggregate where it makes sense, using roll-ups or percentiles to collapse noisy series. Reduce cardinality by grouping tags and replacing dozens of similar alerts with one composite rule that captures the same issue. Once consolidated, add smoothing and debounce windows. For example, require 30 to 300 seconds of sustained deviation before alerting, so transient blips don't trigger noise. Make sure to document trade-offs and keep raw data accessible for deep dives when needed. You finish by testing and iterating. Run staged tests, mute lower severity alerts temporarily, and validate outcomes with stakeholders. Tune thresholds conservatively, avoid overfitting to one incident. Once stable, document new rules, create a rollback plan, and keep a change log for who changed what and why. If things go wrong, and they might, replay historical events against your new rules to confirm behavior, then revert or adjust thresholds quickly based on those findings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.